So today we are going to develop our first Android application. So open Eclipse, and first thing we have to do before doing anything else is to start our AVD. So click on this at Android Virtual Device Manager, and then click on the device we've set before, and then click on start button, and just start this device. Okay, it will take some time, like approximately 10 to 15 seconds or less. Okay, now you can close this. So our device will start in a second. Now to create a new Android application, go to File and then click on New, and then click on Project, and from here click on this Android folder and then Android application project. Double click on this, so this screen will appear. Now first here application name, in application name type anything you want to give it to your application. I will type A for Android 001 space first app. Okay, this is the name of our application. And project name, let's just leave it default. It will be automatically picked up from your application name. And package name, just leave it for the time being, just leave it default as it is. And now come to this place, minimum required SDK. So which SDK or which mobile API it requires. So let's just make it Android 4.0 API level 14 ice cream sandwich. So this application will require ice cream sandwich OS installed on mobile to run this application. And target SDK, for which SDK or mobile OS we are going to develop this application. So we are going to develop this for Android 5.1.1 API level 22. And compile with, just leave it, make it the higher one available. So for the time being it's API 22 Android 5.5 5.1.1 available. Target SDK and compile with, make them both higher level, and then leave everything default. Don't worry about this thing, and then click on next button. Click on next button again and once more time, and then click once again on next button. And now you can rename this, but let's just leave it as it is, and then click on finish button. So our first application is going to be created, and our device is also preparing. So here is our application main screen. That will how it will look on mobile screen. So this is hello world, a text, and here is our application name. First, let's just run this on our device. Yeah, our device is prepared. Drag this to the right side to unlock this, and now right click on this project folder in Package Explorer, and then select Run as Android application, or you can come to this main activity.java and press Ctrl F11, or on this button, or you can press this button. So I will choose this method, Run as Android application, and now our application is ready to be launched. Here you can see launching A001 fast app 99%. It has to be run. I don't understand why is it not running. So let's just run it again. Control F11 to launch it again, and I hope this time it will run. Yeah, it is running. So this is how it will look on your mobile screen if you run this application on your mobile phone. Okay, so now let's just add some things to this application. First, click on this hello world button and then right click and delete, or just here's the delete option, or just click on this button and press delete button from your keyboard. The text will go away, and here you can see a asterisk which is indicating that this file is not yet been saved. So click on Ctrl S or go to file and then click on save. Asterisk is removed now. Okay, now just go to form widgets and then drag this text view and then drag it to this position, like in the middle, when middle line appears, and then drag it here. Now we will adjust its properties. Text has been added, so now come to this place, properties, and then here in text, or here in text view, here in this portion, click on this text view and then remove this and type welcome. Okay, look, change has been implemented, welcome. Okay, now we will color this. Let's just give it some color. So type # shift 3 FF 33 FF and then press enter. Now you can see text color has been changed. Also give this a size, so click in text size and then give this size of 30 SP. SP is used for scale independent pixel and it is used only for text. So here is our welcome. Just drag it a little more. Ctrl S to save it. Okay, now let's just drag one more text view and then put it right beneath welcome and in the center line, then drop it. Also let's just change this to text and give it some color. 4 shift F3 4 and press enter, and then let's size it to 18 SP. It looks little bigger. Okay, and also if you go to activity main.xml, you can see this is our text view 1, and see its text welcome, and this is our text view 2. Here is ID and its text is 2 and color is this, and here is the size. DP is DP. Okay, now it's not DP. Here is the size. And if you want to add another text, activity main.xml and then go to graphical layout, and let's just drag another one. You can drag this one to large or medium, drag it here, and if it doesn't fit where you place it, just save the application, Ctrl S, and it will be placed. Okay, and now let's just remove the text and the world of, give this text, and then drag another one, this text, and drag it here, place it here. And now we will change its properties in Android in activity main.xml. See how we do this in XML. So text view, what is text? Text is let's just give this text Android. Okay, and then type Android : shift : and then type text size, and then click on this text, this suggestion, and then give it a size of 48 sp. Okay, and then Android text color, and this appear suggestion highlight, select text color, and then give it, double click on this, and then give it a color of 004F58, and then Control S to save it, and then come to graphical layout and see this is the result of our text. Also we will change this its color and its size. So first give it a size of 24 sp. Okay, and also color it 6FAD36, and I forget to add hash sign, then enter. Okay, and then let's just drag it a little above than this. So this is our application. Control S to save it, and then run it, run as Android application. This was our application before editing. I think there is a bug in this, so we will go to this main activity.java, and then I will press Ctrl F11. Now definitely it will run. Yeah, here is our first application. Welcome to the world of Android. So this way you can add text and change text properties, and we will do some other cool stuffs with Android in our upcoming videos. So for this video, this is I think enough. Practice it. The more you practice, the more you will be a pro.